Hey nail techs, do you know how to raise your prices? Okay, this is what you do. Like 30 days before you want the price change to go into effect. What I have found works for me, now you can do it whatever way you want. Here's two ways I found work for me. I've tried by raising all prices across the board by $1 or $2, whichever, every year. I've been doing this 35 years, every year. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, here's another best solution that worked for me, and I really like this one. I will stagger the price increases. I will do natural nails and pedicures 1 year, and of course I give 30 days notice so everybody's on board with what the new prices are gonna be on X date. So that way the next year I will raise artificial and gel polish prices. So what that does is I get a price increase every year, but not by everybody that's coming to me, if that makes sense. Because there's a lot of people sitting at my nail table that are getting artificial nails, but they're not getting pedicures. So they're gonna get their prices raised 1 year, but then they're not gonna have it the next year because they don't get pedicures for whatever reasons. They're crazy. But anyway, so they kind of get a 2-year break then, because if you stagger this and you do it every year, natural nails and pedicures 1 year, artificial nails and gel polish the next year, you're gonna give some people the break that, you know, their price isn't gonna increase and they're gonna be super happy about that. And then, you know, they know at the next point it's going to be their turn. Their price is going to increase $1, $2, whatever you need. You know, now if you haven't raised your prices in years, oh, you might be having to raise them $5 and $10. And don't be afraid of raising your prices. Listen, everything goes up according to inflation, and as time is ticking on, your supplies are costing more. Your gas to get to the salon is costing more. Your rent's costing more. Your water's costing more. Your lights are costing more. Never mind all the stuff going on in the background of your home life that's costing more. Everything costs more. And, you know, when I go shopping at the grocery store, they're not like notifying me, hey, Jill, you know, bring extra money. The prices went up. You just know they're going to go up. And so like what I paid last month may not be what I'm paying this month for something. That's life. It's nothing personal. So yes, you might have a few people that might have to drop off your books, but it's not our responsibility to support their nail habit that they can no longer afford because for whatever reasons, they don't have money in the bank to afford us or they don't value what we do. So I'm not going to be held hostage to anybody's income that they can't sit in my chair anymore. I love them, wish them well, will be friends with them when I see them out and about. But if they cannot come to me anymore because I have raised my prices, then bye-bye. We'll miss you. But that opens up another place on my appointment book for a new client to get in who can afford you. Because let's be real, there's a lot of people out there that they can afford $100 nails. They can afford $200 pedicures. Yeah, and all you got to do is find those people and you'll be set. Peace out, nail techs.